Now we are talking about the speaking part 3, which is the end of the exam. Okay, speaking part 3 is not difficult but very logical. It requires a lot of opinions, a lot of general knowledge, a lot of information. For example, the examiner will ask you questions. Okay, the examiner will ask you questions. For example, do you think advertisements have impact on sales? So this is something which is you have to think and you have to answer very spontaneously. So you are going to say yes, of course. I think advertisement has a huge impact on what people buy, because the more colorful, the more vibrant your advertisement will be. And if you have a famous celebrity on your advertisement, people will buy your product more, will trust you more, and your sales will increase. So there are several questions regarding speaking part 3, and some questions I'm going to share also. But there are several questions. For example, do you like clothes? A very random question, but you have to give a detailed answer. You cannot give a short answer in speaking part 3. Your answer should be 5 to 6 lines, 20 to 30 seconds each. So you are going to say, yes, clothes are essential part of our life, and the way you dress, the way you look, describes 50% of your personality. So yes, clothes have a very important role in my life, and I prefer to dress decent. I prefer to use certain colors that suits my personality, and I am very selective when it comes to clothing. So they are going to ask you questions based on opinions and questions based on a lot of knowledge, and of course they want to know you more, and they want to know your opinions on several topics. So this is how speaking practices are, and the best thing to make your speaking better, make your speaking better and better, practice with the instructor will tell you what were the mistakes, how you can make things better, and you can always send voice messages to your instructor. So instructor are people who will help you out in getting the best of your IELTS exams and your bands. So yes, sometimes you can use ChatGPT to make your answers look even better, to learn new vocabulary. And questions are always available online. There's nothing that is not available online, but you need to have an instructor to tell you what is correct, what is wrong, what are your mistakes, and what are the flaws, and what are the strengths of your individually.